Hi, I am Gopidasvi. I completed BTech IT Information Technology degree in Amni College, which is affiliated to Anna University. My two friends already joined in QSpiders and got placed. I get a positive feedback from them, so I also joined in QSpiders and I taken software testing course. First, I learned the SQL. Sangeet sir teach me SQL, all very good, both basics and very important concepts like subquery, correlated subquery, joins, that and all. And they also conducted mock interviews, so it helps me to crack the interview easily. After Nandi sir taught me Core Java, where I gained more knowledge in basics and very important concepts, notes like encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction and inheritance. And then I started to learn in manual testing, where Chandrasekhar sir teaches very me good in all manual testing concepts like STLC, how to write test scenario and test cases, and agile methodologies. He teaches me very well, and he also motivated me to get placed in the interview. He believed in me and added to the requirements. I cracked the interview with the help of him. So thank you, and I got placed as a quality associate engineer in